Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, the channel that helps you to fix your appliances yourself. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the water inside your Beko washing machine isn't heating up. This is likely caused with the fault of the washing machine heating element, and it would need to be replaced. I'll show you how to do this now. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell and leave us a like too. This helps us to create more and more appliance fixing videos for you, and you never know when you're going to need eSpares. Also, let us know in the comments how you got on with the repair. For this repair, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a 10mm socket set, a flat blade screwdriver and some pliers. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. Firstly, remove all of the screws around the bottom back panel with your Torx T20 screwdriver. Now remove this panel and place it safely to one side. Now remove the 3 electrical connections from the element tags. The earth wire connection will have a small tab that you need to push down and then pull out. You may need to use pliers to gently remove the other connections, as these can be tight. Now remove the electrical connection from the NTC. This is located inside the heating element. Lift up the small tab and pull it out. Unscrew the centre nut using your 10mm socket set. Don't remove this nut completely, just simply unscrew it to the end of the thread. Now give a forceful hit of this nut with the base of your socket or a screwdriver. This creates a loosening of the element around the inner seal, which will then allow you to remove the element. Now remove the element from its housing. You can use your flat blade screwdriver to help ease it from its location, like so. The NTC will come out as part of the element. Now it's time to buy your new heating element, but before you do, you need to know your washing machine's model number. This is so that you can get the correct part for your make and model of appliance. Now if you're not sure what your model number is or where to find it, then check out our video on how to find the model number for your washing machine here. Now it's time to fit your new heating element, but first we've got a top tip from eSpares. We suggest that you apply some washing up liquid around the black inner seal at the base of the element. That way it will help ease the element into position more easily. Now tighten the retaining nut using your 10mm socket set, ensuring that this is fully tightened to secure the element in place. Now refit your electrical connection to the NTC and your 3 electrical connections back to the element. Now refit your back panel and keep it in place with your screws. And there you have it, all there is to a washing machine heating element replacement on your Beko washing machine. Hopefully your washing machine is now heating up the water and working great again. Now you have solved this problem, you need to learn about how you can save energy using your washing machine to help you get the best from it and save you money. Just check out our video down here on washing machine energy saving tips for all you need to know. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the eSpares channel and like the video if it helped you. Thanks for watching.